This is Riz the plumber. This here was a Moen Camerist, one handle, pull down kitchen faucet. Model number is 7545. It is a transitional style faucet with a flared tip spout. It has some simple curves and a single handle operation. It is available at any local wholesale supply house. Again, this is Riz the plumber. This was a Moen kitchen faucet install. We also replaced the shutoffs underneath, making sure they function properly. If you would, hit that like and subscribe.